Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of Godzilla and the Spinosaurus from Jurassic Park together. Alright, let's get going and we're going to start the lesson right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Godzilla mixed with Spinosaurus. Okay, let's do it. From Jurassic World. It's from Jurassic Park 3, actually. So let's do this. So I'm going to go right here and I'm going to already start that long kind of crocodilian beak kind of thing going on that Spinosaurus has. I'm going to pull out to that point. This marker's a little dry. Let me change it. Alright. I got a long area downward right here at the end. Curve down, pull up. It's got that little bit of a bump there I noticed at the tip. And back here. Curve for the side of the, cheek. And we're going to pull up here. Curve underneath. Curve. Curve over here for the top. Line down. And curve over here for the bottom of the jaw. We're almost there, okay? Actually, we're pretty dang close to at least the structure part, so stay with me. We're going to go over here. Curve down. Kind of try to match, kind of the curve of that if you can. But like I said, getting close enough is good enough. You don't want to, stress over how exact it's going to be. You just want the impression down. Curve here for the end, back of the jaw is bigger, and then pull down. Line down over here, line down, line down, line down, line down for the skin on the side of the mouth there. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, I had to sneeze. And then now let's draw some teeth right here. Curve underneath, up, and down over here. Line over here. Dot. And line up over here. Let's give him a little bit of, there you go. I don't want it to look crazy. Okay. Back of the neck, down. Down here. Arm, shoulder right there. Shoulder. Line out over here. Down. He's got his hands down, okay? Curve line out here for the front of the body. Line down. And then we're going to draw a little bit of the back of the claw right there. And then it's going to go up, pull back, arm. Other claw, other claw. Line out. There we go. Line over here. Line over here. So let's go over here and, get some Godzilla vibes into him. There's the gills, because Godzilla has gills. And let's draw couple of spikes right there, and the spikes are going to get bigger. Think of them as little chunky islands. You can have 3 prongs or more. Line over here. Line over here. And there you go. So far so good. We got the Spinosaurus. So far we have the Godzilla style spikes. Line right here into the armpit. here, cross. Curve right here. Wow, he looks funny. I can't believe how funny he looks. He looks like some kind of goofy dragon or something. Okay, curve here on the edge. Now what we're doing is we're mostly just kind of going in and putting in a little bit of texture along the scales, right? Right there, there we go. Do these scales here. Over here under the neck, putting in kind of a solid area into the neck to kind of create a, I was going to say, as far as like the drawing goes, you want to create a little bit of focus. And I was saying placing dark shapes is a big part of that. So you can maybe in the armpits, think of areas that, you know, tend to be very, very dark. So let's make that area a little bit more curved, a little bit more natural. Maybe throwing in a line here around the edge, maybe a thin line right here to show some of the curves on the face there, which, you know, is going to be a big deal. Everything I'm trying to just tap it now. I'm tap, 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 because this is all small detailed texture and you want to be kind of very careful with that. There we go. Curve over here, up. And a lot of this stuff's going to be toward the bottom because the sunlight's coming from above, although I just did that one above. You know, right here around the edge, dot, dot, dot. Line over here. All right, sweet. Stay here for the next drawing lesson. Let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.